Yeah, the kingmaker, the key role of Turks in Iran. Right or wrong, there is a belief among Iranians that without Tabriz, without Turks, no change will happen in Iran because of their the political influence in Iran history, because of their population, spread population. If we need regime change in Iran, we need Turks to join the demonstration, to the protest. And if we need democracy and development after the regime change, we need Turks to solve ethnic issue in Iran. Without solving ethnic issue, it is our beliefs, without solving ethnic issue in Iran, decentralization of the government and democratization of the language, the democratization of the power, we cannot have democracy. And the Turks are having the key role to establish it. If the Turks join the Azerbaijani movement, demand these values, so ethnic issue in Iran can be solved. If, as they did in Iran Revolution, support the central political forces, so this centralized government type in Iran will be continued, and we have the same problem still after the regime change.